Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today my topic is what is Fiverr and how does it work. Fiverr is a basically earning website where you do your service, where you sell your services. First of all, how does it work? Fiverr is an online platform that allows buyers and sellers to connect so they can buy and sell digital service. It gets its name for the starting price of services, which is $5. What is Fiverr? Fiverr is an online marketplace for freelance services with low cost providers from all over the world. The idea behind their brand is to streamline the process of hiring get to getting hired as a freelancer. The online marketplace cuts out the middleman of hiring, firing, and HR departments. Smaller businesses can get things done on a more case by case basis, and freelancers have the freedom of selling their services at any time to any company. Fiverr lets clients pay in advance for gigs, which constitute and digital service ranging from WordPress design, logo design, writing services, transcriptions, NFT network, Twitch graphics, to even voiceover work. Although all services were priced at $5 when the site initially launched, freelancers can now set their price to whatever they choose and can offer packages deal or gig package. What does Fiverr mean? Fiverr meaning refers to US $5 billion. For example, someone may say the breakfast here will cost you a $5. This is where the marketplace got its name, but you may wonder why the website calls itself Fiverr. The simple answer is that the platform originally marked itself as a place where you can hire a freelancer for as low as $5. Now, bear in mind that there are very few services that you can get on Fiverr for $5. The average transcriptions price for services on Fiverr is about $25. However, how much you may pay will depend on several factors. For instance, the skill level of the freelancer you hire will factor into how much you will pay. Additionally, the complexity of the service will play a role in the ultimate price for the services. Overall, Fiverr means insinuates that platform offers you freelancers services at an affordable price. Whether you just need one job done or you would like someone on a going basis, Fiverr may be the best marketplace for you. How does Fiverr works? Fiverr works by letting buyers pay in advance for gigs, which are any type of freelance service ranging from web design to social media, marketing to copywriting. When Fiverr first launched, all gigs were originally priced at $5, but now freelancers sell Seller can decide to change more or offer packages of services. Orders are typically completed within a day or two, but the delivery time is set by the seller and can take longer. The seller has a queue of orders. When your order is successfully completed, the seller will receive 80% of total order value. For example, 5 gigs mean the freelancer will receive $4 for a complete order. There are two ways to review the site as a freelancer, as a buyer. First, I am going to explain the term they use on their site, and I will break down how the process works for the buyer and the seller. There are two ways to view site a freelancer or a buyer. First, I am going to explain. I will break down how the process works, buyer and seller. Fiverr terms: gigs, seller, buyer, post a request. Fiverr for buyers. How can being a gig works? As a buyer, you can browse through the category pages or use the search tool to find gig you are looking to purchase. Once you hit search on something like a translator, for example, you will find that a list of translator pop up. Sorting through the option can be tricky, which is why it's important to read through the descriptions of each services offered and take a look at their portfolio. You can also message the seller with any question and see if your specific project would be something that they can do. This is the end of our video. In next video we will talk about portfolio. Thanks for watching.